Audio Jungle.
Ouch! Hi, Cindy. Banana! Banana.
Or, please remind me 2 minutes later.
No problem.
More, who can I contact for ID design? Which department?
Wait a second.
Ma, can you tell me a story?
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived with her mommy in a cottage on the edge of a big forest.
Happy birthday, Daddy. This is Mommy, this is Daddy, this is me.
A tank full of dirty water is bad news for Gold Eagle. The tank you live in may look a little different, but keeping it full of the freshest, cleanest air is just as important. Introducing Wind Halo and Wind Home Purifier, the smartest air quality platform for a healthy, comfortable home. Using the most comprehensive set of air quality sensors, Wind Halo detects everything, from pollen to pet dander to Pete's pot roast, instantly directing the Wind Home Purifier, the most powerful air purifier in its class, to give you the cleanest air. The Wind Home Purifier houses dual HEPA filters to maximize air intake and a patented turbofan to enable it to purify a 1,000 square foot room in under 30 minutes. But it's not just about cleaning your environment. It's about creating an optimal atmosphere where you can be at your best. With Halo, just tell the app what you're up to, and it'll automatically make things perfect, like lowering the temperature or producing more healthy air during exercise. Using AI to combine sensor data computed at 100,000 times per second with cloud intelligence such as weather, traffic, and pollution, Wind Halo can identify the actual composition of your air with Air ID. And even better, tailored solutions for reducing harmful irritants in your home. Halo works seamlessly with your existing platforms like Nest and Amazon Echo to monitor and adjust things like temperature, excessive noise, and humidity, making your home an ideal environment for everyone. The air around you directly impacts your health and wellness. After all, you're swimming in it. Just imagine what the right environment can do for your well-being.
Hi, my name is Vision. I am an intelligent assistant for home and office. And this is my constructor Artur. Hi Artur.
Hi Vision. Vision is the simplest and cheapest way to rule off smart home and office. Vision is an intelligent device that supports you and assists you with daily activities. It saves time, money and cares about our nature. And all this with the use of the voice control. The algorithms are based on neural networks, allows to control the most of the crucial device like TV, lights or kitchen devices. In addition, Vision make it easy to find out information on the internet. This is why we create Vision.
How to make an intelligent home or office in 3 simple steps. Take your mobile phone or tablet with Android in version 5.0 or higher and connect to the internet. Install application of Vision and set up your personal configuration. put the device in stand. Vision can do what you wish him to do. Some examples: you can order any items using the voice command. It can control the light, turning it on or off. It can play any music you like using voice commands. It can answer the question you ask on any topic or find out any interesting information. It can connect with other smart devices like TV. Vision, turn off the light.
Every feature of Vision is a field of research in artificial intelligence. It has very deep scientific knowledge. Vision, tell me definition of oxygen.
Oxygen is a chemical element with symbol O and atomic number 8. It is a member of the chalcogen group on the periodic table, a highly reactive nonmetal, and an oxidizing agent that readily forms oxides with most elements as well as with other compounds.
By installing our Vision application even on your old devices with cracked displays, we can preserve our current environment. So we encourage you to do this on your own devices.
Vision is your personal friend of giving individual possibilities like changing the appearance, changing the voice setting, adding and learning new commands, learning the latest improved settings, and many other options.
Full version of Vision application only for Indiegogo backers. Stephanie, are you there?
Yes, Vision.
Can you borrow me 1 GB odd RAM?
Okay, let me share with you.
Do you ever feel like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then I found Higher TAB Tablet. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner. TAB Tablet has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again. That's not all it cleans. TAB Tablet has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard to reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tablet app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tablet has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tablet really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Higher TAB is an online company that is part of the Higher Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tablet over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.